how to blur or unblur wallpaper in iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So to blur or unblur your wallpaper, you'll need to open up your lock screen and then long press on it and then tap on the plus icon on the bottom right. Now you can choose from your photos or any suggested photos right here. So now, once you have chosen it, tap on add option on the top right corner and then tap on customize home screen. Now, if you want to blur the wallpaper, you'll see blur option right there. Tap on it and if it turns blue, here you can see that the wallpaper has been blurred. Now, if you tap on it again, it will be unblurred. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.